Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Tayler or Dolly the Rebel if you are new, and in today's video I will be doing a review for the KVD Vegan Beauty Good Apple Foundation. So I have the foundation right here, and the shade that I bought is in shade Tan 068. So of course this was viral on TikTok and they sold out virtually. I couldn't even do a like a buy online and pick it up in store situation. I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. So I have it right here. I'm really hoping and praying that this is my skin color. I just realized I didn't do my brows, which is fine. I'm trying to come up with a new like base routine if I want to go back to foundation first or stick with brows first. So I've just been playing around, so it's really not that big of a deal. But this is the foundation and the packaging. I absolutely love it. It's clear. It is in this acrylic container, and I believe it's recyclable as well. So it just looks like that. I did kind of like swatch. I wanted to try to see and make sure it was my perfect match, or if I needed to go run to the store or purchase another one before filming this video. So yeah, so enough of my rambling. We're just going to test it out, and I am going to do a wear test. So I'm going to either check in or try to like take some pictures or something to make sure I hold myself accountable, so I can check in with you guys so you can kind of see where I'm at throughout the day. So right now it is 12:09 in the afternoon. So my goal is to just have like a few check-ins all the way till like the end of day, which is about 8 or 9 o'clock. I do have like some client stuff I need to handle and things like that. So yeah, so enough of my rambling, and let's see what we're looking like. So the brush I'll be using today is my Real Techniques 204 brush. So let me see. So with the Good Apple Skin Perfecting Balm, let me see. Yeah, that's all that it really has on the box. Again, I believe it is like the packaging is recyclable, and it is infused with apple extract to help nourish your skin. Yeah, recycle your compact, and you can visit the KVD Vegan Beauty website. And I believe that is all as far as the information. So yeah, let's go ahead and test this out. So I'm just get my brush in there, just kind of okay. And I'm gonna do this side of my face because I do have like new fresh dark marks, and we're just going to what? Oh my god, and it's so buttery. Let me take my earrings off. I was trying to be cute for y'all. Let me take my earrings off. What? And it feels so... I don't have on any primer either. I'm out. I normally either use Fix Plus or Fix Plus. Yeah, that's all I use to prep my skin, but my skin is moisturized. Oh my god. Yo, this is crazy. I'm getting this through my eyebrows. I don't care. I'm gonna fix that later. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. And I didn't even like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just kind of warmed it up with my, oh my gosh, you guys. What the heck? So this is the side, of course, no makeup, all my blemishes. And this is just the foundation. I'm sure, I'm so, oh my gosh. Like, ma'am, like there's okay, like I really be thinking people be like BSing with these reviews, but it really did not take Oh my god, it did not take a lot of foundation. The coverage is crazy. Like I have a dark mark right by my mouth area, and it's gone. Like when I did the first swatch test, when I got it in the mail over the weekend on Saturday, and I just lightly did it. I didn't really like, I just kind of took my finger, just swiped it lightly, and it was like kind of gone. Like if you're a person with freckles, but you like your freckles to peek through, you don't even, you can just like dab and just, oh my god. Okay. All right. Okay. We're going to do the other side. So, this is all I'm doing. Pat, pat, pat. You can't tell me that's not crazy. And then I just buff it into my skin. Look at that. And usually I have to do like 2 and 3 and 4 pumps to get full coverage. Oh my gosh. And I did like just kind of eyeball for online for my color. I don't know, I'm kind of good at that for some reason. But yeah, oh my gosh. And I'm just like lightly going in. I don't even have to use a heavy hand. I just want to make sure that everything's even on both sides. Oh my gosh, you guys. And it is, I believe it's matte, but since it's a balm, I think because the formula is a little bit different. I have dry skin. I've seen people with oily skin kind of like they don't like it, whatever. So my concern is more so with the wear throughout the day. So again, I didn't use any primer. I just cleansed, moisturized my face this morning, and yeah. So we're gonna see how it wears. So this is just my full face foundation only, no makeup. So I'm going to do my pretty much my makeup off camera, my normal routine, and I will check back in with you guys with the finished look, and then of course I'll do my check-ins throughout the day. So I will be right back with the completed makeup look. Okay guys, I'm back with my finished makeup look. So I pretty much did my normal routine. Of course I use like a new eyeshadow palette and a new eyeliner, but other than that, everything else I use is pretty much the same. Like Beauty Baker setting powder, It's the Star concealer, my Makeup Revolution, some drugstore contour palette that I have. Like everything that I use like in my I think I have a foundation routine video. I'll link that card. Everything that I use in that video is pretty much what I use on my face. So yeah, I did set my makeup. I did set under my eyes. So yeah, I pretty much did my regular routine. So, and it's only been an hour. It is 1:11. So yeah, so I do, again, like I said before, I have some work to do for clients, send some invoices, stuff like that. So I'll make sure I pop back in. I'll probably pop back in maybe around 3. I'm gonna set an alarm and I'll pop back in and we'll check my makeup and see how we're doing. And yeah, so I will see you guys a little bit later, and I'll keep you updated on how my foundation is lasting. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm back and it is 4:11 in the afternoon. So looking at my makeup, like everything's pretty much still in place. I did eat some of my lip gloss kind of smeared a little bit. Of course I did change and my hair's in a ponytail because I had a wig to do for a client. So but all of my makeup is still in place. I'm burning hot, like I'm hot in the bathroom, like dyeing hair. I was standing up for a good what, 2 hours, hour and a half, 2 hours. Yeah, I started around 2. So and I'm actually starting to, I just started cooking, but my face is still pretty much matte. It looks like my nose is getting a little shiny. Yeah, it looks like my nose is getting a little shiny, but it doesn't look like I'm creasing. Like, it looks like my makeup and everything's still pretty much in place. So far so good. So I will probably check in with you guys probably around somewhere between like 6 and 7 or 7 and 8, and that's probably when I'll be getting ready to take off my makeup and wind down for the day. So yeah, but everything's still pretty much in place. Like, yeah, everything's pretty much still in place. The only thing that I see getting shiny again is just really my nose. That's about it. So I will check back in with you guys in the next couple of hours to see where we're at, how we're looking, and I think I'll be back with like my final verdict or my final thoughts. So I'll see you guys a little bit later. Alright, you guys, so I am back to close out today's video. So it is 7:53, and I was about to say in the afternoon. At night, y'all, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So I just got done. What have I been doing? I've been still working on that wig, deep conditioning, silicone mixing, rinsing that out, letting it kind of air dry. And then I cooked dinner, just ate dinner, had a glass of wine because your girl needed it, body aching, okay? Did a lot today. So, and just washed your dishes. Just, you know, that's just pretty much what I was doing. So I was moving around a little bit more active. So my nose is getting shiny. Like right in the front of my nose is kind of getting a little, like it's picking up a little bit. And my chin is starting to get shiny. And then right here, I guess we can say like more so my T-zone areas are getting oily. So like, but my nose is the shiniest, and then here, and then my chin is the shiniest, and then like in my forehead, like right here where my creases are, it's starting to crack there. But it's been overall like what, 6-7 hours. So I wish I had a napkin. But yeah, like, so I'm just oily in my, getting like shiny in my T-zone area. So here, a little bit on my forehead, and then my cheeks. So let me see, because I have not touched my foundation at all. This is like right after I filmed. So I just want to see. Okay. Because my concern was with the foundation and with it getting oily. Like if you have oily skin, it'll, I think, from what I've seen, it'll definitely break up more versus if you have dry skin. So if you have oily skin, I would definitely recommend maybe using a primer to make sure your skin is hydrated, but also putting a powder, like a translucent powder, on first, and then using the foundation. But I can just take my brush and just kind of like pat, like just no powder or any like new powder or anything like that, and just tap, and we're good as new. So I normally take like my MAC, what is it, my MAC Fix powder foundation or whatever, so I can kind of tap that through. My own concern is with wearing a mask. I definitely feel like my nose, well, I mean it does it anyway with like all of my other foundations, when I wear a mask, my nose is gone and my chin is gone, but it's like I still have some makeup, but I feel like it'll definitely take it all off because I'm getting oily there in those areas. But overall, I would definitely give this a 9 out of 10. The coverage is immaculate. Yeah, I'm just getting a little oily, like that's all. And I think it's just the formula because it's like a balm, just like kind of think of like a chapstick, like you're getting that moisture, that hydration, but it's also like supposed to have some type of matte finish. So it's just more so like that formula versus like a thicker consistency, like a soft matte or matte foundation or a radiant you know, foundation. So yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I definitely feel what I definitely feel like my energy is so low. Like I'm so tired and I'm not going to sleep till about like 11 because I have to make sure this wig is done for my client by like lunch tomorrow. So yes, I have a ways to go, so that's why my energy is like low. But I will definitely definitely see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you care. Make sure you follow me on all social platforms, I think at Dollie the Rebel. I will have everything linked down in the description box, and I will have the details on my eye makeup as well, everything that I used for my face in the description box as well. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.